Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. I really appreciate you. Quickly guys, before we get into the video, guys, in fact, the video is about the Senzo Meyiwa trial. We know this by now, but I just want us to do a recap of the entire week because what? A lot happened in the courtroom. But what? A lot happened in the courtroom and a lot happened weekend before the last weekend. Last weekend was also dramatic. And then I don't want to be even starting with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know. I think the entire weekend last week prepared for this week in a very different way than we would have thought. Because tell me why from that weekend it was dramatic and we were like, what? It was everywhere. It was drums. That weekend prepared the entire week because tell me why the entire week was about the state case collapsing. Zawa indonga Jericho, boom, papansi, boom, 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 and there is no coming back from this week. There is absolutely no coming back from this week. A lot happened the entire week. You know what? In the voice of Donald Trump that I can't even imitate, strange things are happening in South Africa. So, like, a lot of bad and strange things are happening in South Africa. Like, this week was the entire 2025. This entire week was it. Let's do a recap quickly. Last weekend, we learned that I'm just gonna go through the little notes that I put out now so that I can do. I'm gonna do I think 2 or 3 videos. This last week, I think we were shocked when we learned that there was a detective or a sergeant that got hijacked last Thursday in the early hours of midnight. Actually, let me not even say early hours. Midnight, because it was 12:15 midnight, when a detective got mugged who had some documents, copies of documents for the Senzo Meyiwa case that is in trial right now in North Gauteng High Court. Okay, we were like, ooh, what's going on there? And the story went on and on with the Yashi Bank telling us some of the stuff were stolen and he was nearly kidnapped, he was gun-pointed. All of that story, you guys remember. While we were shocked with that day, at night, same day, was it Sunday, guys? I'm not sure, I don't remember. Same day at night, we get another update now that says, actually, no, it's a former detective. Now we are like, I know. Because earlier, when it was that first report, we were like, why would he travel around with Senzo Meyiwa docket situation documents, whereas the case is in court? Is he still investigating what's going on? We were asking a lot of questions. Hi, Sana Kanti, we did not ask the son, which side are you coming now? Which side are you going to come out? We did not ask. Hayi ke sithe sisajongeleyo. Sathi sisekushock layo nto sisabuza imibuzo emininzi sisithi you asinikholwa, we don't believe you. We don't believe you. We don't believe. While we were like, where, siyimidlwane. I think they think siyimidlwane there. I think siyimidlwane kubo. No, but they were like, nayo le midlwane. Where, nye. We were like that, ne? These Papa socials like asinikholwa. Bullshit, what is this? I guess baza nestori sokuthi kubiwe i-OB entries, kubiwe i-USBs, kubiwe this and that sathi sisathuke leyo yoba inoba zezi-10 ezo, are those the ones that Mnisi requested or what's going on? Hayibo wesana, hayibo kwafika omnye umyalezo umqhafazo omngxamle ebusuku ngabo 10:30, 25 to 11, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, it's not that deep. It's nothing serious that was stolen from that car of that detective. And we are still, they did not give us a name. Perhaps it's Mukhanele because it was a he. So it could be Mukhane. So no, it's a former detective and there was nothing serious. Ningawar. Yaizwa. Ningawar. Sathi sisajongeleyo bafethu. sisenemibuzo emininzi. Most people were asking a lot of questions ukuthi okay, maybe lo detect the sergeant is investigating Kelly Khumalo ne because mastermind okanye the other mastermind because there's too many mastermind now. Sathi sisajongeleyo kodwa Monday here you are samamela ku Monday. Samamela ku Monday. The first thing that we got on Monday. Didn't Ashley, is it Ashley, the assistant of the judge? I don't know whether he registered or whatever. Don't I think it was Ashley, but I think it was him. Didn't we hear Ashley in the courtroom? Apparently, Utefo is outside and wants to speak to the judge and would like the judge to come out. And the judge is like, the way he dismissed that, like, buzz off and easy, back off and easy, I'm not doing that. And I was like, why is he not coming inside? Didn't he say, I hear him right, guys, saying that he's the representation of IQ's number one? I was like, right, doesn't end, doesn't stop there. Okay, sathi sise right ke sisamamelele sisothuki futhi. Okay. How yaqala into yakwamnisi Fondini ngento yayo. Wadila nobaloyi kwabangathi we arizishwashwatheni. Hey, jonga wavela nje Monday sisathi siyaqoba sisathi noko we just arrived. Hayibo. Ubaloyi wasithi shocking sana wa avoid umnisi like skin rush. Wacela ne-adjournment because he wants to have admissions and stuff. Zama records ezinye izinto angafuni zikhulunywe pha courtroom. I was like, baloyi. Baloyi, what's going on? Okay, so we were shocked to get what's going on now? Yini manje le? Ubaloyi ke sana wabe engayingenanga sana and akubuyelwanga kuleyo mcimbi lowo. Sathi sisajongeleyo yaleyo kabaloyi. Hawu, kanti umnisi uthi ngiyakubona ngizakufumana apha ekambeni. Ngizokuthola andingeni nje indaba yakho. Hayibo, sathi sisajongeleyo ubaloyi try harder ke sana with AVL going here and there and then wasuka wangena umnisi wadilana la situation fast wathi anhlani nawo andidlali nani mamela apha ke. What's shocking from that was that ubaloyi refuses to provide AVL records. That shocked us, Shem. And then kwaba nguyena lena le yabona. Guys, that was Monday. A lot happened on Monday alone. There was a lot of things that were revealed there. We cross-examination and I was happy with how Missy was a ton of bricks falling from a brick truck. Yava, boom. Kwayilonto kwaya le. Ndiyabuya le new video sisathetha ngale viki.